Hello everyone and welcome to Sab Kuch e-learning. Our today's topic of discussion is on the state. We first begin with the meaning and nature of the state. As mentioned before, one of the ways of studying political science is to study the state in all its varied manifestations. But the word state has often been used indiscriminately to express a general tendency or an idea like the state of a man's health, of a man's mind, or his economic conditions. In political science too, it has been used in a different shade as a synonym of government federation or its constituent unit.